Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in the graphite color. Inside the box, have our device on top. Also have a pamphlet inside, which in here we have a SIM ejection tool, a little bit of paperwork, and a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. But let's get all that out of the way. Check out the star of the show here, the Graphite Fold 8. We'll take our first and last look here of a creaseless device. Let's go ahead and fold this Fold 8. I am loving this graphite color. Initially, we have a completely matte finish here on all the edges, backing, and the hinge. Samsung had given out the lavender color to a lot of reviewers, but I am personally much preferring this more stealthed out gray color. Looks like the same exact graphite here on this Flip 8 compared to the Fold 8. There's also a graphite option for the Fold 8 Ultra. However, that one does have some arguably better color choices like the violet shadow and the green shadow. And to close out this video, just wanted to show a couple of outdoor shots. I am personally really liking the graphite color the most out of all the options. If you want to see a much more detailed, essentially review video of this Fold 8, I will have that linked for you to check out. All my thoughts here initially on the Fold 8. I'll be curious to hear your thoughts on this one down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.